All right, let's see what we will build today, this magnificent Friday evening. Be right back. I bought these new pair of shorts and they're a bit tight, I gotta say. So they're not that comfortable, unfortunately. This game is so funny. 49er. They have the most funny ads and trailers. It looks like a ripoff from Valheim, right? It's extremely similar. It's Valheim, but a different environment. I mean, it looks pretty cool though. Ripoff is not necessarily bad. Nice. This one is terrible. What the heck is this gameplay? It's a massacre. They even have the same effects as Valheim with like the blurring in the distance. Right. So the inventory is here. Kind of works. Yeah. We need a few things here. Like pick it, like with the inventory, we need a few functions, right? We need to be able to pick up item. Attempt to pick up item. And we probably also want like move stack to somewhere. And probably if stack, if slot has something, switch places of the stacks. Or maybe we always switch places of the stacks, because if whatever we go to is empty, we just switch it, actually. Always switch. They're empty. Or then both are switches. There needs to be a max stack thing. Let's for now put it here. Max stack size 20. Func to pick up. No, let's keep the max stack sizes in a table instead. Then put 20. All right, attempt to pick up. Item. And that should also be of this, like this structure here. For now, let's just put it in different stacks. So that would mean in this case, let's do for I in data if I is null, I need the index range. +1 if I, blah blah, not. If it is null, then we put it there, invent data I equals item, and if, and then we do a break. If we get, or we can actually do return. If we get all the way to I equals inventory data. Yeah, I think that's how far it goes. Yeah. dot len, or len inventory data. Then we put this into we print inventory full. And by the way, here we need to call inventory GUI.update GUI. So then let's just try to add another one, like here. Attempt to pick up. Type. For now we only have wood. Wood. Count 3. Oh, right. Then +1. Okay, didn't work. Oh, if not, and then we need to do inventory data I. Yeah, cool. 5-3, it worked. Now though, it should actually be stacked. Let's try to put this into a diagram. So this is gonna be picking up the item. To make the stacks actually stack, check if no, first we do check if any slot has same type and empty stack space. And then we, if that is not true, check for the slot. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Oh, what am I saving now? Attempt to pick up item. Basically want to copy paste this and run it twice. But here we want to check if inventory data dot type is the same as item dot type. And Right, stack size table. And stack size table item.type is bigger than inventory data I dot size count. Okay. If that is the case, we remove from item into the inventory in the current stack. So say there's like, I need to have a arbitrary number in my mind here. So say we have 5 and then incoming is 20. Take 15, place 5 in new slot if possible. So yeah, we then do inventory data or no, let's take the stack size. We're using it multiple times, so I'll create a variable for it. Stack size. Let's go with current stack size. No, wait a minute. Max size is the thing here. Max stack size. There we go. Inventory data I.count. We're using inventory data I.count to more than once. But I think that's okay because we're gonna change it. But it's a dictionary, so maybe we can just change it with a new reference. Sorry, stack count equals this. No, that's more ugly. I think I will just prefer this, honestly. Okay, so we need to figure out, like, take, let's say 323 here. Max is 20. So then we take 15 and then place 8 in a new slot. So we need to take, let's see here, how do we calculate this? For example, what if we have 5 and 3 coming in? Max is 20. Then we just take 3. Yeah, so we need to figure out the rest, like whatever is left after filling this. Right. amount to, I'm gonna create a few variables here to make it a bit easier to like break down the problem. Amount to move should be free space. Let's do that first. So free space is inventory data I dot count, and then max stack size minus this. So in this example, it would give us 15. In this example, it would give us 15. Then, how much do we move? Our count to move should be free space if free space is smaller or equal to item dot count, else item dot count. Yes, the syntax works. Awesome. Count to move equals free space if free space under or equal item count, else item count. So in this case, 523, we are gonna have free space 15, then 15 if free space is less or equal to item.count, and it is because it's 23. In this case though, free space is less or equal than item count. No, item count is 3, so we're just gonna put 3 there. Then we do we move it, so we then need to do item.count plus equals minus count, or minus equals, we might as well do that. Minus equal count to move, and then inventory data I dot count plus equals count to move. We don't do a return here, of course. Guess we can break whenever if item.count equals 0, break. Otherwise, it's going to say inventory full. So then what we're doing here is we're looking through the whole thing. No, it's not. This doesn't mean, by the way, that the inventory is full. It just means that we didn't find anywhere to stack it with our current stacks. We don't need to do +1 here. Let's just see if we can put it into existing stacks. And then start adding it to the whatever is left into the inventory. Okay, let's try it. Oh yeah, actually kind of works. It put 8 here and 0 here. But why did it put 0 there? doing something here, I think. Oh, right. Yeah, we need to check here if we have something left. If item.count is not equal 0, then we do this. Yeah. No, it's 5. What? Oh, we need to update the GUI. Let's have them all update the GUI from down here. So we do just break there instead. Yes, it works. Stacking is working. Awesome. Wait. What? Damn it. Okay, good. Add it. Stack works. So let's try something crazy. Let's see if we pick up like see if we can put it into different stacks. Let's see, we have 19 here. And then we attempt to pick up 3. What happens? No, it didn't work. Invalid get index type on base nil. Yeah, it broke here before, but yeah, this is gonna fail. We need to do if we need to check if it's null first. If not inventory data I and why is it continuing there? Hey factory, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I'm doing some coding, trying to build an inventory system for my game. So it looks, yeah, it's like just a, what do you say, blueprint at the moment, but it's looking something like this for now. So this is a piece of wood, and this is kind of the code underneath it. So it's pretty simple. I mean, there's more to it, but this is basically the input to it right now. So yeah, now I'm trying to make them stack, so that if I pick up wood, it's gonna put it in the same slot. But for some reason, this is failing. Can we do is not? It's not null. Okay, that worked. I needed to do if. Right. It needs to have a value. Oh, it was the other way around. And it works. 22 when we have 19 and 3 coming in. Nice. Awesome. Yes. Achievement. right. I mean, there's much more to it. I want to be able to add like so you can drag and drop stuff in the inventory, but maybe for now, this is at least a visual representation for the player. Maybe I should connect it to the character now, so that our player command B, why is that not working? So that our little player can see the inventory. Just as an example. Probably want to give this some kind of button. I already have it actually is a input. Yeah, inventory. Maybe I can just add that here, like to toggle the visibility of it. Like in if, how is the syntax for that? Button just pressed or something. Clear. There we go. Inventory. And do we have visibility here or something? There, visibility is only visible if all of his ancestors are visible as well. Okay, so let's just do visible. Visible equals the opposite of visible. Oh, right, float. We have a delta coming into process. Awesome. Nice. Cool. So we should probably start it as with visible equals false. Cool. And then I want to give this to the player now. I really want to call this inventory again. And then let the player not inherit, but have a component. We actually have an inventory component, but it's gonna become better. So inventory equals inventory dot new. And what was it? Wood resource. Where do I have it somewhere, like when it's picked up, it should wood resource. No, what was it called? Yeah, wood resource. Oh, no, it's sensitive to the capitalization. All right, when we're building, we're gonna have to take also. Like check if it's there. We need some interface for that. To use item. And that would be like check counts is bigger than required. Remove count. And that might take count from multiple stacks again. This feels very concrete, like very tangible, like an inventory system. It's the most tangible thing I've worked on in a long time in this project. Oh, looter.loot inventory name. I guess I'm gonna just rename this to wood. And then in player, let's remove that. And let's do looter.inventory dot attempt to pick up so this is gonna be let's see, this is the wood resource on the floor, yeah. Mm. Type would count, oops, count. Let's try rand I range. One, 3. Is that also inclusive? Yeah, they both, yeah, we see it here. 0 or 1, yep, good. So now that's going to call attempt to pick up wood when we pick up wood. Building is not going to work now. That's okay. I'll remove the navigation debugger. Oh, wrong button. Post. Okay. Do we have an inventory now? No, we don't. I should probably not do new inventory in this case. No, I should import this resource, or this scene. Inventory equals load press inventory slash inventory tscn. Dot instantiate child. Yes, okay. Let's try to pick up some wood. Worked! Oh my god, it's working. Six wood. Yeah. Now it crashed. Oh my god. Oops. Thought my computer froze there for a while. Nice, it's actually working. How are you doing, Gripner? All good? Happy Friday. All good? Nice to hear. Okay, let's clean up. There's so much noise going on in the bigger project. How's your game deving going? Have you done anything new? This is useful still. Print. I mean, this is... Okay, I'm not running this right now. Or am I? Doing that. But there's something that keeps printing. Yeah, it's this one. And this we can remove because now we have an actual inventory. Not done shit. Started plan for mini MMORPG. Based 100% in a giant dungeon. Nice. Sounds fun. So what's the plan look like? What do you have so far? And yes, building as expected isn't working now. But let's actually celebrate this with a git push. Git add all, git commit. Already added to the player. Okay, now git push. Planned out spell skill system and mob AI. Okay, cool. So what kind of spells, skills do you have? And do you think you will build it in... you were also in Godot, I think, if I recall correctly. You had done something in Godot that you showed me. God, oh. I saw... I mean, I've heard a few different pronunciations of Godot. I say Godot. Some people say Godot, I think. And then I heard a guy say Godot. It's like ghetto, but Godot. He had a whole video. I'm gonna do this thing in Godot. But each to their own, right? All right, EverQuest 1 is influenced. Nice. I have never played that game, but I of course know about it. Yeah, this needs to be refactored. Right, yeah, needs to, so what we're actually doing here is checking if we have enough. And then updating the values. Yeah. So that's what we need to add. This could be a separate function. No, let's try to keep it as the same function for now. So what's up this Friday? Do you have anything going on? Go back to the inventory. Playing EQ1. Are people still playing that game? Attempt to use Ah, nice, like a classic server. Cool. That must be fun. Like a good, what do you say? Nostalgic trip. That's what I felt when they released World of Warcraft Classic. Which, it's crazy. I realized the other day that it was around 5 years ago World of Warcraft Classic was released. How is that even possible? Five years. Soon they could do a classic. "25 years since EQ1. Okay, cool. It's the OG MMO. From what my understanding. It's a quarter century. Okay, let's give it an item. We're doing similar things here. Let's just give this for clarity's sake. We're going to check if contains maths, and then send item there. And that we need to do if, check if contains maths, and then we do use maths. Check if maths. Pass func use maths. Oops. I can say so myself, I'm kind of liking this component that I built so far. It's pretty clean. Maybe experience does actually make it easier and better after all. One would hope so. Hello, Saif. What's up? Happy Friday. We need a few variables here. Count in bags. Oh, count in inventory. For I in range then of inventory. If. Yeah, of course, Saif. How are you doing? Saif, the bad gaming. Are you having a good Friday? Inventory. I. It's the same as item.type. Then count in inventory plus equals. What's wrong? Inventory. Oh, it's not called inventory. Inventory data. So if count in inventory is bigger or equal to item count, all right. No, we can actually just do return. Count, blah, 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 true or false. Use mats. And here we're gonna do the same thing as up here, but gonna go through the whole inventory and remove stuff instead. So for I in inventory data range, then if, first of all, it's not empty, inventory data I, and data I dot type It's the same as item.type. And no, that's good, I think. If data I.count is bigger than item.type. Actually, let's call it cost. I think cost is better in this case. So if that is bigger or equal to cost.type, no, let's do it. If it's bigger than inventory data I.count minus equal cost.type. No, we can do bigger or equal. No, bigger than. Then there will be something left here. Else, these are exactly equal. Then we need to delete that inventory item. Data I equals null. Else, inventory data oh yeah, in all the other cases, it's gonna become null. Just do else. So if the count in the inventory is less or equal to the cost, is what this means. We're going to remove that stack we're looking at. And we're going to remove the count in the current stack from the cost. So then we need to do that first here. Cost.count equals minus equals inventory data. So we're emptying this stack dot count, and then we're removing that stack from the bag. And then we also do if cost.count is not 0, or if it is 0, break, otherwise it will continue. Cool. So attempt to use item, check if it contains it, then use it. All right. So then this attempt to use needs to be called from here. builder.inventory.attempt to use okay, in this, for now, they all cost the same type. And then they need individual costs type. Good. This is actually fun. Count 1. Resource. And here, same thing. We actually check, we just do a check here. If builder.check if contains maths. Good. Oh, type would count cool. Right, then we need a column there. All right, let's see if that works. Everybody, yeah, move your body, yeah. Right. Oh, okay. Start build. Building capability if builder inventory check if contains maths. All right, yeah, we need to have that check here too. If let's try again. Everybody, yeah. No, fails again. Okay, let's do 0 for default. Third time's a charm. Everybody. Yeah, okay, so just nothing happens, but at the same time we don't have anything. Wait, when the inventory is up, I can't do anything. I can't use my mouse to view around. Ah, is it using my mouse? Maybe it is. Maybe that's a good thing, actually. Maybe that's what I want. Nope, that fell through the ground. Oh my god. So we have 3 now. Oh, and this works. Can I place it? No. God damn it. Oh. Cost dot count. Count. Everybody. Can't build. And now we have 3, so we can build. Yes, and now, oh, we still have 3. Oh, I don't think it's updating. I don't think it's updating the GUI. What's the call for that again? Inventory GUI.update. GUI.update. GUI. Yo, what's up? Okay. 5th time is the charm. Nothing in the inventory. Boom, 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 boom. Now we have 4. And we build. And now we have 3. Nice. And now you can even see it update in real time. Unfortunately, I can't move the mouse here. And now it's empty, the inventory, and we can't build anymore. Amazing, amazing. So good. Yes. Okay, I think that's all for this session. I'm super happy about the progress made. It's awesome. Cool. All right. I'm gonna commit this for sure. Git commit. Inventory system actually works now. Game. All right, I'm gonna close the stream now, but I should have more. I mean, I don't care so much, but I should have more. What do you say? More patience in the streams, because the amount of viewers always goes up over time. Like after 1 to 2 hours, that's where it like normalizes. But yeah, I also think it's pretty chill to just go in and like do an hour or so, have like a clear target in mind, and the progress just in this hour has been phenomenal. Like earlier today, I just had this thing. Now it actually works within the game. So yeah, really nice session, really good. Cool. Take care, everyone. I hope you all have a phenomenal weekend, and until next time, bye bye.